In this video, we'll show how UNIVERGE Blue Engage's agent dashboard provides supervisors with comprehensive insights into individual frontline user performance data for inbound and outbound call queues, including time spent on calls and after-call work, transferred calls, and number of handled calls. The agent dashboard is an essential tool for supervisors aiming to assess the performance of frontline users in contact center. With this dashboard, supervisors can make data-driven decisions to improve team productivity and enhance their customer experience. The first step is to log into the Contact Center Administrator portal. From there, we'll go to the Analysis tab, and finally, we'll be selecting the Analytics button and selecting the Agent Dashboard. The first thing we see when accessing the Agent Dashboard is the summary screen. By default, the previous day's data is loaded and presented. The main focus of the Agent Dashboard is on total calls and agent or frontline user occupancy. This tells us how effective a frontline user is with their time. You can drill deeper into either the Total Calls or Agent Occupancy button by clicking on them. You'll then get a breakdown of interaction time, which shows the percentage of time frontline users are spending on calls, wrapping up calls, or doing after-call work. You can also select Main Statuses or Other Statuses to see how one or multiple frontline users are spending their time. For example, how often are they available or on break? The Agent Dashboard is interactive, which means you can change the way that the data is presented. For example, you can filter data by clicking on certain agents. Upon choosing a particular agent, the remaining charts on the dashboard dynamically adjust to display the corresponding data for the selected agent. A tabular breakdown of the data is available too by going to the table of contents and selecting the calls breakdown by time. In this view, you can still customize how information is displayed. For example, we can sort by answered or total ring time, total talk time, and so on. In addition to the tabular display at the bottom of the dashboard, you'll find graphical representations at the top to easily identify trends. You can save this current view for future use by pressing the bookmark icon. You can also export the data by selecting the share icon, and you can also click on the data for a more detailed breakdown. We can look at other metrics such as call details. Just go to the table of contents and select the Call Details tab. Here you can view call details by totals or by time range. You can also get more details around occupancy by going to the table of contents and selecting the Occupancy Details tab. This dashboard makes it easier for supervisors to enhance productivity, ensure effective and efficient operations, and ultimately improve their customer experience. Thanks for watching.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.